Haan bag. And it comes in this beautiful navy dust bag. Okay, so you are going to be witnessing with me the new Haan purse for myself, and I'm loving the color so far. Great, nice handle. You can also grab it by the smaller handles. Okay, and it has a little drawstring here. We'll loosen it. Have to learn how to do this little loosening. And then we'll open the inside. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, very deep. One section here. I don't know if you can see in there. Then we have the other section here. Oh, lots of stuff, lots of places to organize. Pockets. And then last but not least, the secret zipped secured pocket to place those oh so special items. Some outer secret pockets. So I believe I do love my new Haan. Thanks for watching.